Hey guys, I am out here at Shallow Creek Wolf Stairs.
Swallow.
Shallow Creek Wolf Swallow Stairs. Is it just?
Swallow Cliff.
Oh, that's a dumb name. But we're out here. If you've seen any videos with the adventures I've had with Chris, this is Chris.
What's up, guys?
He has never been on an e-bike before. And so I brought these two. I brought my Adventon and my Multijoy. And let's not forget, he's a triathlete. So this is going to be the first time that an actual triathlete in my life is trying e-bikes. And we're going to get his opinion. We're going to figure out what he thinks about them. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to see which one he likes best. Maybe some of the features that he does and doesn't like about these things. And will he actually get one in the future? Who knows? In all of our adventures, this is the bike that Chris has been riding. And this is one that he used for the triathlon. Chris, how much does this bike weigh?
About 20 pounds.
All right. And we would go on these trips. And how would you feel when we would do 30 miles on these bikes?
Brutal. You know, when you sit there and you hit your button and you take off, it's a little quad work that goes into it. So looking forward to seeing what it does.
Switch that V6 for the EV, ride around my city. You should come ride with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sip water like a fish, sip box water to the gillies, yeah. This a new wave, this a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world a makeover. Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess, how can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but it's never late.
Let's go.
Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate. We need change now. We need solar, we need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around. Make it change cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the floor, sweep up the scene.
Alright.
We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the floor, sweep up the scene.
That was a big hill. Even with these e-bikes, man, we had to put some work into making it up there. But I mean, all the kids on the trail didn't help any. But yeah, these things are beasts.
Let's go.
All right, Chris, what do you think about your first e-bike experience?
You know, for going out there, having a good time, it's a blast. Rode both bikes, the Multijoy. It's quick, comfy. The Adventure is a beast. Quick, responsive, comfortable. Riding my triathlon bike, I mean, it's a dart, but this is really comfortable and enjoyable to do.
If you could choose between one of the two bikes, which one would it be?
This bad boy.
Fast. Why is it?
It's fast, it's snug, comfort. It's all around just an awesome vehicle.
Well, what'd you think about this?
The Multijoy is great. It's just, this one's got a little more power and you just don't pedal as much on there. And, you know, being a triathlete, I like to pedal. So they're both awesome bikes. Awesome.
Would you be willing to hit some mountain bike trails with some of these bikes?
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, you heard it. Now, here's what you don't know. I have some more e-bikes being shipped to me that we're going to be testing out. So that's pretty exciting. And I'll actually be able to get him on some mountain bike trails as well. So thank you for watching. And, you know, it's the first time a triathlete that I know of has got a chance to ride e-bikes, and that was his thoughts. So
Awesome.
see you on the next video, and enjoy the ride.